Hi, I'm Mohammad Sadegh Hoviatala Burman and I want to present to you the first pitch for my Thesis project. I want to dedicate 80% to the practical part and together with Yasaman work on a first-person arena-based shooter game for VR using Unity's data-oriented tech stack or DOTS. For my theoretical part, I want to research and analyze why game developers are moving to data-oriented programming practices. For the project, our goal is to use Entity Component System, Burst Compiler, and C# Job System together to have more performance. The game is an arena-based first-person shooter for Oculus Quest. In this game, the player will face waves of enemies and tries to survive as the game becomes more complicated and challenging. Here are some similar games to our project. We are using dots because we can write multi-threaded code and reduce the render and CPU time. This will help us to reduce the temperature of the CPU and increase the battery life of the VR headset. Additionally, using dots allows us to render more objects on the screen. One of the challenges we have is using the entity component system because it's a new way of programming, but it will help us in data optimization and code reusability. For the theoretical part, I want to research the history of object-oriented and data-oriented programming and find the differences between them. The main part of my thesis is to research why the game industry is moving to data-oriented programming from object-oriented practices. Furthermore, I want to touch on some practices of data-oriented programming in games. Thank you for listening. I'm looking forward to your feedbacks.